How to make an eye contact with the audience. If the crowd is huge, make sure that at least once you make an eye contact with the whole audience. When I say the whole audience, I don't mean that the whole 200, 300 or maybe 1,000 people sitting in the room. So I will give you a trick, how to do that. So it's like very easy. I'll give you the formula at the end. So it's not advisable to look at or make an eye contact with only one portion of the audience too much or very often. Okay, and there's a book called How to Talk to Anyone, Anytime, Anywhere by Larry King. I really loved reading that book. He talks about eye contact. He says that, when you have a one-on-one meeting or one-on-one conversation with a colleague or a client, so make sure that, instead of consistently looking at them, try to, look here and there often. So it actually becomes intimidating sometimes, when you make an eye contact, like consistently with the audience, with the person, when you're sitting one-on-one with that person. So when you make eye contact with the audience, they feel more engaged. Now here is the formula. How to do it? So if there are two groups of people in the hall, imagine that there are two rows, okay? This is called a sinusoidal wave. Okay, so you have to, with your eyes, you have to make a sinusoidal wave, and this is like very easy. Start with the front left corner, then go to the center of the left row, then come back to the center of the right row, then go back to the right corner, and then you can repeat it once or twice, or maybe thrice, or even 5 times according to your requirements. So this is a very effective tool which I learned in one of the trainer programs. One last thing to remember about eye contact is do not look above the audience or over the audience, as it shows superiority. Follow me for next video.